on me. I promise that you'll never be alone.
To my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'll be showing you viewers how to make any glossy lipstick matte. We all know matte lipstick started almost a decade ago, and before then we had our normal moisturizing glossy lipstick. You put on your lipstick, you go out, you eat, and your lipstick is all over your teeth without you being aware of. So people adapted the new formula of lipstick, which is matte lipstick, and I know a lot of you viewers would want matte lipsticks at home. But in case you do not have matte lipsticks and you've got your normal glossy lipstick, as I did have my one, Candy Yum Yum, I basically applied it on my lips. I want to go out and I want a matte texture. Any powder you've got at home, I have my mentholated dusting powder. This powder, if you've got baby powder at home, or if you've got your benign, whichever powder you've got at home, apply it on the lipstick, leave it, then you have your matte formula. You don't need to go out and get a particular color of matte lipstick if you don't have it. Use what you have at home, finish it before you purchase new ones. So hope you viewers did enjoy this beauty hack, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and also I will leave a link of my favorite matte lipstick website in the description box down below. You can check it out for those of you that really want matte lipsticks. So hope you viewers did enjoy this. I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed.